Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel. I am Shandra Lynn and this is a tower reading. It is for you if you are having a tower moment or you've been experiencing a tower moment. I am personally going through like a complete life change, complete, my freaking whole reality that I actually is tangible is changing for me. And it is also it's also still time for me to continue to like step forward, and I have been working on bettering like my setup and everything, and I even got a microphone and a new stand, and all of this stuff is coming in together. It has just been really kind of crazy in my life, and so Spirit was like, well, let's do those readings and let's do them now. And so let's get started for Capricorn. Advice for Capricorn during whatever changes are occurring. What towers? Please remember that this is a general message, so take it how it resonates with you and your life, your situations, and your experiences, and disregard the rest. We got stone people with vigilant out. So people with an entitlement issues to what belongs to you, thinking that they're going to come in and get it. And yeah, they're freaking A. Vulnerability. Green Man synergy. We've got love and compassion on the bottom of the deck. So stone people with vigilance first out. Next with meadow and vulnerability with Green Man synergy. I am not sure if this is the whole reading or not. Oh, okay. So Spirit is saying that this vigilant card that's coming out, right? It was almost as if you had gotten the message and you had picked up, like, where this occurred for me, because this occurred for me, was I was given like these little visions and messages really quick. And all that was going through my mind was, well, if these attacks or these, you know, energies to cause, to cause me to be vigilant, if they're coming and I'm unaware of it and like it's just bouncing off, then why is that being shown to me? If I have no awareness of it going on around me, then why did Spirit show me that it was going on, right? It didn't, like, are you trying to get me to focus on the shit? Or but no, it is more of for you to be aware, so that way it is easier for you to continue to move forward, knowing that this life change isn't bringing everybody and everything with you. True natures are being revealed right now. What people really do, what they think, how they behave, their intentions behind their actions, that is being highlighted. And because of the Tower moment being in this vulnerable position, that is really, it's almost, so this Tower moment for you, right, has people believing that you're extremely vulnerable. You're out in the open. There's no, pretty much you're open for attack. The green man synergy, if this is a reading that's resonating with you, right, then you're aware that you're in this place of vulnerability, but it's a different state of being than you have ever been in before, because you are in a state of vulnerability, and it is from like you're in this new energy, right? But you in no way feel the full force of that vulnerability. You in no way are exactly what it looks like to others, right? And that's what, it's kind of like that predatory energy. As soon as, like buddy buddy, friendly friendly, family family, caring caring, sharing sharing, all of that stuff, right? But that was because before, like, they kind of saw you as these stones, right? Unmovable. But with this life change, it kind of like alters you, and it makes you, so it almost makes you so instead of, people didn't come at you before, right? Because that's intimidating. That's beautiful, right? And so there is this mistakenness from these energies that believe, because it doesn't look like this, because it looks more vulnerable like this, and it's like their true nature is coming out, and it has to come out because the energy has changed. That tower came down, the energy has changed. Those that are going into this place with ill intention against you, Capricorn, are getting bit really freaking quick in the butt by spirit. I'm being told that you're even able to see it with those that you weren't sure or you didn't think were doing any or causing or holding any ill will towards you. But because of how this reality is changing, people are harvesting what they have sowed. And there is no more hiding from what you were sowing. And there is a lot of like anger and entitlement, because almost feeling like there's an entitlement to the energy that you, like all the prep work that you have been doing for when this shift occurred, for when things started changing in your life occurred, right? There is a sense that some of the blessings that are going to be coming in, because with every change, right, you get the good and you get the bad. But when you've been focused on bettering yourself, on focusing on yourself, on showing yourself this love and this compassion, right? And it's been something that you have been so focused on, and you have been told, and you've felt and been hearing, like, it's yours, it's yours, it's yours, it's yours. It really is yours. And you're stepping and you're walking into it. And right now, Spirit is finishing purifying everything, right? Because it's that wolf instinct card, but it is like earth magic happening right now. In a rebirth. With the shaman. None of depending on how your tower came down, right? But what I am really feeling is like it wasn't like you were out there like taking a sledgehammer to the side of the tower, right? It is a tower that you held compassion for. It was a tower that you held that ancient healing wisdom for. So there is this sense of like, oh shit, okay, like you did your best. It was not in your control. The tower was in no way in your control. The only control you have is over yourself and how you were handling it and how you were moving through it and how you are moving through it. The changes are still coming. The energies are still changing up. It's like the tower came down, but the like poof of dust and everything hasn't fully settled yet. There is, things are still in movement, right? It's like being aware that everything is happening, right, for this. So you've got like this kind of cleanup going on, right, to help you flow into this easier, because that is what I'm hearing. The reality that has just occurred to you is a blessing, is even if it doesn't feel like a blessing, it is. Nothing has been removed that will not be replaced, right? Am I saying that right? There is really no thing for you to do. It is just an awareness, so that way you have a better sense of understanding and knowing and can hold this energy better in place while this is occurring, okay? Give yourself peace, give yourself grace, and know that no matter what, the energy is still moving forward and it will change. I am, when I, well, I'm sure if you're here and this reading resonates with you, like I know I'm a Capricorn, and the tower that I have experienced was, really completely life-changing. Completely life-changing. Anyways, I'm sitting here and I'm like, I don't really want to share it, but Spirit is like, you're sharing it, and I don't want to share it, but I'm going to share my tower, what's been going on with me. I was married, and my husband and I, we were getting ready to celebrate our 21st wedding anniversary here in just a few months. But he ended up coming down with an infection, and it led into septic shock, and he passed away on November 21st, early in the morning. It is, yeah, it is wild. But I do see where this reading is pretty accurate, because with everything going on and the craziness of the energies, and of course how it's affecting the kids and all of that, I am experiencing this as well right now. So I'm gonna, with that, and I shared, so I hope Spirit is happier. I guess I'm gonna just go sit with me for a minute and let myself feel what I'm feeling for a second. But I love you. I hope that this is helpful. I hope that it just helps you breathe with whatever it is that you're going through. And I hope that it clarifies things and helps you move further into the radical acceptance of just how amazing you are with what you are able to pick up and what you know. I love you, Capricorn. I'll talk to you later.